Toy Kit. Today we'll be opening Lego Dimensions.
Got a bunch of Lego Dimensions for Christmas.
And I got these for Christmas.
Yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of Christmas videos today.
We already did some.
Yeah, we did some, so please watch those.
AquaMan.
Yeah, because we got AquaMan, Krusty, a couple of Chimas, and Gollum.
So where do we open it?
That's it right there.
Right here?
No. Decide that you open the other time. No. And these work with your Lego Dimensions. Like we have one for PS3, but it'll work on any of them. And then we have to, oh my gosh, we have to build them all.
So here
There's actually instructions on how to build them all. Okay. Here's your instructions. Build an AquaMan first.
So here we have AquaMan.
Okay, we see AquaMan. Not so close. Okay. And now build his little ship thingy. We'll have the instructions.
So first we build the AquaMan. Other sets.
Yeah, a lot of advertising.
Other people.
What? It doesn't tell us how to build a set? Maybe it does. Oh, I think it does in the game, doesn't it? Okay, so we'll just have to build all the minifigures. We'll have to do the sets when we play the game. Okay.
Okay, so now we have...
So let's put this one with AquaMan. Simpsons. And then the Simpsons looks like we get Krusty. Okay. These are the little faces.
That one's flying.
Yeah, be careful.
So, a ton of pieces just went flying.
Okay, put AquaMan by his stuff. Right here.
Now let's see how we build him.
You want to get any instructions with Krusty?
No.
It's not in the box?
The instructions?
Well, I think you can probably build Krusty on your own.
Does he have a gun or a pie?
He has a pie.
Yep, because the guns go on his truck.
So again, I think when you put it on the game, maybe that's when it tells you how to build the vehicle. Because I know that you can build them in different ways. Okay, now put all those pieces back in the bag. Or at least near the bag. And put it over here by AquaMan stuff. So don't lose any pieces. It seems like it'd be pretty easy to do.
They're all pretty.
Oh, look, there's one right there. No, yeah, make sure you get all the pieces.
Okay.
No, there's still one on AquaMan's box. A piece. Okay.
Now we have Lego Chima.
Okay, so
Lion.
Lion.
So this guy looks to be very, very cool. He has this thing. And his head comes in the bag. That's weird. Oh, sure. Oh, they have races.
And be careful, don't mix up the bases. Okay, so. Oh, they're on little special bases? Oh yeah, Krusty, AquaMan. Nice.
Leave your comments below. So subscribe.
Yeah. Super Toy Kid will be adding a bunch of videos, so please subscribe.
So there we have all three of them.
Okay. Yeah. Pretty nice. And Chima do? Okay.
Okay, now we have another Chima. A bird.
Bird Chima. Yeah. Make sure we keep all these pieces together. There are so many pieces.
So we have. Where's the belly?
Anything left in the box?
Oh yeah, there's one more back. There's a giant one too. How do you do this? It wants you.
Well, that looks like that's his staff, dude. You need to put the wings on his back, and then he has the staff that he holds. Yep.
So there we have our second Chima.
Okay.
And
put him on
his
his
base is a bird. Clearly.
Okay. Now you gotta get all those pieces back together for his thing that's with him. You just scoot them over to the side just so they're all together for right now. Okay, she got one more.
And it is a Gollum.
Gollum from Lord of the Rings.
So she has a fish. I don't need